Welcome to CustomsLink. In this video, we shall present a quick demo of how to find your way around our platform. So let's begin. When you click on the dashboard, you will see the main page for your declarations. Along the top, you will have the options for Dashboard, New Entry, My Account, Support Center, and Logout. These will be explained in the follow-up videos. As a Haulier customer, you will see 7 icons. First is Introduce New Customer. This is where you'll be able to invite your individual traders to contribute to your declarations. Next is our EXS ENS SSD Creator. Here you'll be able to create your individual safety and security declaration, which must accompany your customs declaration into the European Union. The Upload External Document, Port Pass Builder, Vehicles and Drivers, and the Transit Manager tabs are all under development at the moment, and we shall contact our customers when they become available. Your customers. This allows you to see your traders in one place. Here you can track your traders' progress onto the platform, ensuring all information is required to help contribute to your declarations. To create a new import or export declaration, you will need to click on the yellow box named Create a New Entry or Start New Job. You can also sort multiple declarations based on a variety of fields by clicking on the tab called Next 3 Days. This tab defaults to the next 3 days to illustrate the loads moving in the near future. Within this search bar, you can search for your declarations based on the reference number. Once you have created a new entry, this will appear underneath the search bar in a list format. Each job will illustrate the nickname you gave it as a job reference. The reference for CustomsLink, if you have any issues, is the one next to it. As your declaration progresses, the icons will change colours in a traffic light system. If it is red, it is incomplete or there is an error. If it's an orange timer, it is being processed. If it's a green tick, everything is complete and you are ready to go. To see your SSD MRN number, all you have to do is hover over the green tick next to the SSD. This will pop up the MRN number for you. If you click the downward arrow on the right-hand side of the job, this will pull down more options for your declaration. Submit Declaration allows you to submit when you are on your dashboard. This will be helpful when you invite your traders. Here, you can also invite your contributors, aka your traders. You can see who has been invited via the View Contributors button. The history log will clearly show you what has been done to the declaration and who has completed it. If you have multiple movements of the same goods with the same importer and the same exporter, you may find our Copy tab extremely useful, as it will replicate a previous job, saving you time and energy. If you've created an import declaration and need the export declaration with us, you can use the Flip tab. This will automatically flip the import data into a new export declaration quickly and efficiently for you. Documents. This is where you can find your received documents, such as the completed C88 or the SAD. It also shows you the supporting documents you have uploaded when submitting to the relevant authorities in case you need to check.